Ali here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. Today we have an Apple surprise box. Yes. Now let's open it up and see what we got from Apple. We got the new 2018 Mac Mini. This is a Mac Mini box. Okay, it's kind of scratchy because it's when it came. Let me show you the back side here. And so Mac since Mini we show you the box, here, we should show you the real thing. Yeah. And now let's open the box. So this is new. You push it out this time. Usually you pull it. Now that's the Mac Mini here. Mac Mini. That's in the plastic. That's how it's in the plastic. Let me take it out. Okay, so that pull tab. Is that heavy? Carefully put it down. It's not really too heavy. Let me see. You can try. Just be careful. So this is what it says on the back of it. But you have to put it upside down. That's funny. So let's put that there. And let's see what they also gave us. They get over here. They have this little envelope card thing. So let's see what this is. Designed by Apple in California. So this shows all the specifications and shows what it comes with technically. Like, welcome to your Mac Mini. You can see it. And it also comes with this little card showing like different things that you can do if something happens, probably like warranty and stuff. And they gave us 2 stickers. Obviously. Yeah. But most of the time, we don't use it that much. And this is the charger. This time, Apple used for the charging, they used this thing here, 2 circle things, and where are all the ports? Oh yeah, they're back here. So let's take off the plastic and show you all the ports on the Mini. So Mac, I put you right here. So you pull this off like that. Whoa! It comes in space gray only, I'm pretty sure. So there's so around it back here where all the ports are, there's this tape, black tape. Let's peel it off so nobody gets electrified. The tape looks kind of cool. The tape is, these are all the ports. And the charging goes over, let me get it, over here. Yes, like that. So, let me show you. Okay, so here's the on button. So it has an Ethernet cable, 4 USB-C cables, an HDMI cable, 2 USB cables, and a headphone jack. Okay, at least they didn't take that out. Okay, so this Mac Mini here, it's 3 gigahertz. It's 6-core Intel it's 6-core 8th generation Intel i5 processor, 16 GB DDR4 memory, and 512 GB SSD storage. It also has an Intel Ultra HD graphics card 630, and it's a gigabit Ethernet, USB-C, and USB-B. All ports are also in the Mac Mini. There's an HDMI port, and also for the displays, you can put 4 4K displays, or you can put 1 5K display and 2 4K displays. Okay, this is the Mac Mini. So those are all the specifications. You can customize it on Apple, like what the specifications you need for whatever you need, and I guess we should
use it for editing.
Yeah, so we're gonna use this thing here for our editing videos. So since we already have this, we're editing this video on this thing. Thank you guys for watching this video. please subscribe to our channel and please like this video. And make sure when you subscribe, press the bell icon so then you don't miss any video.